Hello children, hope all of us are doing good. The topic that we will study today is prepositions. Think, read the underlined words in the sentences. Is there anything that you find in common? तो आप क्या करेंगे कि इन sentences में जो words को underline किया गया है उन्हें पढ़ें और ये सोचें कि इनमें common क्या है. Let's do this. Now use the following words in sentences of your own. The words like versus, with, within, at, over and down. तो इन words को अपने sentences बना करके use करें. Now let's read this. What are prepositions? Prepositions are usually used in front of nouns or pronouns and they show the relationship between the noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Sentence में जो भी noun या pronoun दिया है उस noun या pronoun से पहले जो words use होते हैं और वो इन nouns या pronoun की relationship बताते हैं दूसरे words के साथ, उनको हम prepositions कहते हैं. Examples क्या हैं? On, under, over. Now let's look at the preposition of time. Now a preposition of time refers to a specific time period such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week or the actual time something takes place. तो जो preposition of time है ये हमें एक खास time period बताते हैं जो कि date हो सकती है, हफ्ते का कोई दिन हो सकता है या एक actual time हो सकता है. Now let us look at the preposition of place. A preposition of place is the same word as prepositions of time, however it is used differently. तो preposition of place में वही words use होते हैं जो preposition of time में होते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ उनका use अलग तरीके से होता है. For example, in July, this is a preposition of time. In the morning, this is the preposition of place. On Saturday is the preposition of time. On the wall is the preposition of place. Now let us look at the preposition of movement. Preposition of movement is used to show movement from one place to another. मतलब कोई movement एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जो हो रही है वो हम दिखाते हैं preposition of movement के through. For example, across, along. Tell. Now underline the preposition and share which type of preposition is used in the sentence. इन sentences को आप पढ़ेंगे, इनमें जो preposition है उसको underline करेंगे और बताएंगे कि ये कौन से type की preposition है. For example, he sat on the chair. इसमें preposition क्या है? On. और ये हमारी कौन सी है? Preposition of place. Now write. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. इन sentences में जो blanks दिए गए हैं उनमें आप सही preposition को use करें. Let's enjoy. Read the preposition poem and then write one of your own. तो यहाँ पे जो आपको prepositions use करते हुए एक poem दी गई है इसको पढ़ें और फिर अपनी एक poem बनाएं. So poem क्या है? Under, over, despite, in spite, far, near. The meaning of preposition is now clear. So I hope children that the concept of prepositions is clear to all and answering questions based on this chapter will now be easy.